I already told you, right? A happy wife.
That's right.
Happy wife, right? So I had to run everything through her first.
That's right. Come on in. Let's check it out.
Ooh,
Yes.
I'm happy I went with the smoked out.
Yes. It looks beautiful.
On the quick silver.
Mm-hmm. Take your time. It's another Instagram follower. Came in for our double protection package on his Tesla Model Y. Paint protection film on the high impact areas, hood, front bumper, side fenders, ceramic coating on the rest. So if this is the Mrs. car, what kind of car you have?
The one that she's driving right now to pick up my son.
Oh, okay. We appreciate your support on Instagram.
We appreciate all the hard work that they put in.
Yes, good choices. You made.
For me.
Yes, let me just show. He got the blacked out emblems, you guys. Check that out.
Unintentionally matching slightly.
Yes, coordinated. Check out that paint protection film installation. Can you even tell that it's on there?
You can tell it's on here.
There you go.
It's a clean. Austin's probably better off here than from the factory.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much for your support, okay?
Thank you.
Awesome.
DoubleTake, all this fault for all the hard work.
Oh, thank you.